So, did my tea and massage challenge give me all the results I wanted? Let's find out. Hello, my YouTube family. I'm Michelle, better known as NowIamNappy, and I'm here to give you the results of my 8-week hair, tea, and scalp massage challenge. Now, first of all, can we first just get into my hair? Like, literally get into my hair, y'all. I mean, if this doesn't speak for itself, I don't know what to tell y'all, but let's go ahead and rewind and I'll give you all the tea and results of this challenge. All right, so let's first look at some of the claims or hopes that we had of doing this tea and massage challenge, okay? We were hoping to improve our scalp with any scalp care issues. We were hoping to reduce hair loss, obviously improve hair growth, also moisture and strength. So let's get into it, okay? Okay, so weeks 1 and 8 were all about scalp care, okay? We focused on herbs, chamomile, tulsi, neem, echinacea, all those things to help combat a dry and itchy scalp. And y'all, the one thing I have to say is that during this entire challenge, my scalp was thriving. I'm talking about no dryness, no itchiness. Week 7, it was a bomb tea. Week 8, when I had my braids in my hair, you could really see my scalp. I'm gonna insert some clips. Y'all can see how healthy my scalp was looking and feeling. A lot of you guys actually let me know. I'll insert some of your comments about how much you guys love these particular teas and how amazing your scalp felt. Mine felt the same way. I didn't have any dandruff. I didn't have any itchiness. Actually throughout the entire challenge, not just on those weeks. Now, week 2 became one of y'all favorite teas. Okay, that was that omelet, fenugreek, and green tea, and y'all loved it. Now, that tea was to help fight hair fall, and y'all, I had minimal shedding that week. My hair was loving that tea. I definitely think I'm gonna bring that tea back into my regimen on some type of regular basis because it delivers some results, okay? Now, week 3 and 7 were all about hair growth. I mean, yes, sis. You know, we were using my favorite herb, fenugreek, and if y'all don't know, I actually really love fenugreek. I have tons of videos about fenugreek, how to use it, so you know I had to throw that in there. And so let's just get into this lint check real quick, okay? Lint check time. Now, weeks 4 through 6 was all about the moisture, baby. All about the moisture. That marshmallow root was bomb. I don't know. Let me know what y'all thought about the marshmallow root tea. If y'all been on the live chats with me, y'all probably know that was one of my favorite weeks. Both of those weeks were amazing. The sea moss gel was giving me life. But you know what really I had to bring back? It was the flaxseed gel. Like, I felt like I hadn't used flaxseed gel in so long, and I don't know what I was sleeping on. Because look at this comparison here. One of the sea moss, one of the flaxseed gel. Honestly, my hair was giving all it was supposed to have gave. I'm talking about hydration, curls, definition. Y'all, that lasted all week for me. I re-moisturized with that marshmallow root tea, but it was giving all it was supposed to have gave, okay? Now, week 5 was a standalone week in which we did strength. We did that henna and aloe. Now, I know some people are always so hesitant about henna. So many people are like, I've heard this about henna, I've heard that about henna. But y'all tried it, y'all loved it. A lot of people said that this was probably one of their favorite teas. The combination of having the strength with the henna and the aloe to balance it out. You could have used aloe powder, aloe vera juice, whatever kind of aloe you had. It added a perfect balance and strength to your hair. So my hair felt strong at the end of the week. Honestly, at the end of this challenge, my hair feels stronger, thicker, and really healthy. Like, I'm really kind of a little bit surprised at the results. I will say that scalp massages are so important, and we did them at least 3 times during this particular challenge. And y'all, scalp massaging will definitely be a key part back into my routine. I'm gonna stop sleeping on it. I'm gonna stop sleeping on myself. That's what it is. I'm gonna stop sleeping on myself and bring back my scalp massages very regularly. Okay, so y'all know that my favorite tea was a marshmallow root tea. And maybe week 2. It's hard tie between the two of them. But my question for y'all is, what was your favorite tea and what do you feel like you've learned the most about your hair during this challenge? For me, I learned that consistency is so important. It tells me that having the perfect balance of strength, moisture, hydration, and most importantly, taking care of your scalp is the key to hair growth, hair health, thickness, length, everything you ever want. So definitely subscribe to my channel so you can learn more about this. We'll be doing more challenges in the future. Let me know if there's a particular challenge you might be interested in. Some of y'all mentioned on Sunday in our live rice water. There's been a number of ideas thrown around. I'm definitely going to be doing some new videos for you guys. I actually have a protein treatment video coming up for you guys. Y'all highly requested that. So, you know, just stay tuned. Stay tuned for all of this. Make sure you subscribe, put on that notification bell so you don't miss out anything, okay? But that's it for this week. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.